guys, welcome to my channel once again. I'm here in the lift going down again guys to clean the car. So it's very quick. It's almost 6:35 in the morning here in Malaysia. Open natin ang ating mga kagamitan. Buhatin ang mga gamit sa office. Yeah guys, this is my work here every day guys. Hey, thank you Lord, so nice. The air is very nice. Hi Lord Jesus, thank you for this moments. I'm here again in the garden, in the condo garden guys. It's a the view here. Yes, good morning. I'm here. I can breathe so nice air, so fresh air. Yes, Malaysia is not polluted guys, so the air is very nice. Good morning once again, my guys, overwhelming joy that God me blessings in spite of my situation guys. It's very thankful. I'm very thankful Lord, thank you very much. I never say thank you because who I am who I am, that God bless me so much blessings. As I watch my old videos, I really amazed, I really surprised because when I open it, oh my Lord, thank you Lord. I know you are watching me. Thank you Lord. Go guys, enough already because I'm going to clean again. Thank you. I'm going to clean the car again. See the car park guys, look, that's the car park in Malaysia. Good morning. Pick up my things heavy. One hand in my phone. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I will drink my water. Hi guys. I drink my water first. Hi, thank you Lord. I forget my biscuit. Ay, thank you Lord Jesus. I'm drinking hot water because when I wake up guys this morning, my stomach really is squeezing again, so I go in the bathroom. I wake up around I think 5 o'clock or 5:20 something like that, so I have time to vlog. I do 2 vlogs before I go 3 together with my LS. So very happy. Yes, happy moment guys. I'm here in the car park once again. To all my new subscribers out there and to all my co-vloggers, yes guys, if I see your comments later, if I'm free, if I'm eating breakfast, then I will visit you. Thank you very much once again. My vlogs is all about my works, my life, my style, my faith. Yes, it's all about guys, and my vlog is not edited. I never use any apps to edit my vlogs. It's only the camera itself in my phone. I use phone before I use Huawei, I Honor. Now I use Oppo guys. So thank you very much once again. I really love to vlogs to share my moments, even in a simple way, even I'm washing the car, even I'm cleaning the bathroom. I really love to share it all of you. Yeah. It's start na guys. I'm starting my cleaning because only wiping guys. I just wipe because the car is not so dirty. Yeah, wipe again. Yesterday I wipe also. Mm, this car is very expensive, you know, guys. So my madam always make, make sure that her car is no dust allowed. No dust allowed. How if she don't have a maid, then her car is messy. Yeah, sooner or later, guys, whether she like it or not. Yes, wiping only, guys. I just dip a little bit of water, and then later I will see to it if it's like this, guys, like this mark, only the hand mark. Bye bye na, guys. It's almost 6 minutes, and see you once again. Thank you for watching my vlogs. This is me in the car park vlogging, cleaning the cars, and later I'm going to the garden. That's my daily routine, guys. Every day, every day. Sana hindi kayo magsasawa sa panonood kasi pabalik-balik lang yung vlogs ko. Pero at the same time, I'm very happy. Expression of my face. Sometimes I'm sad. That's quite different. And also in the night, guys, I'm wearing nice dress, so it's quite different also that I'm I have vlogs like different clothes, different faces. Yes, only that one I can share, guys. Aside from that, going out, no, guys, I cannot, because phone is not allowed while I'm working, but I'm still making a way for doing my vlogs to update my channel. Even I'm watching, guys, I'm hiding my phone and taking some more vlogs. Yes, really, I love to share my moments to all of you. Thank you very much once again. Have a nice day. God bless. Car park in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, two cars I'm cleaning now, the BMW and the Porsche, guys. God bless.